Me be like when I am new to airplanes. What is this ad even? Different planes. Let me choose one. Maybe I'll go for the small blue plane, KLM 737 to 700. What happened? A quick brief. Now I'll figure it by myself. Oh my god, engines sound in thousands of planes. Why is it black? A whole world came. My plane looks great. A map? With black and white arrows WTH. Let's start. Wait, how a plane's passing everyone. Wait, someone copied me. I am speeding up. Go up, plane of mine. It's going to the sky. Oh no, I can't balance it. Her wide stop IDK, let me investigate. Planes. I wanna choose super fast plane, Concorde. OMG, so fast. What's the black surface? Let me try to land. With no wheels. Wait, the map can help. Time to check. So I'm on water. I must have synced. I am going to play with the controls. Oh my god, I fell, that's it, I am leaving.